Hi, Doc Beth here. Kumusta ang atong weekend karon? So my husband and I usually spends our weekends sa house akong parents, no? Para makaban ang family members, especially ang mga pag-umangkon. So na ako'y tulo ka pag-umangkon, 8-year-old, 6-year-old, and 4-year-old. So one time, ni-report akong 8-year-old niece na ingon siya, Mommy, Tita Beth, someone bullied me in school. No, they called me weird. And then I asked her, so ate, what did you tell them? Ang akong 4-year-old na nephew, ang iyang brother, ni ingon, ate, ginata mo sila, mas weird sila. So medyo na-amuse ko sa iyang response, but at the same time, na-amaze ko sa iyang pagka-assertive, iyang pagka-isog. Which brings me to our topic karon about teaching our young ones, ang atong mga anak, how to stand up to these bullies. So, bullying is rampant in school, no? And ako i-focus more on verbal bullying na maka-cause of emotional and psychological trauma. So as parents and caregivers, very important na we are aware kung sa'y mga nahitabo sa atong mga anak sa eskwelahan to encourage open communication. So, normal reaction sa parents kung ikaw mismo, no, ang imong anak naka-experience ng bullying sa school. Siyempre, no, maglagot ta or sa'y musugod ta sa school, no, or sa'y kasabaan pa ang anak, or na po yung mga parents na sobrang lang kabuutan na moingon, sige lang, ang ginuuray mag-iguan na nila. So, while it is true na tulungan nato atong mga anak, i-train nato sila to grow up to be God-fearing and to be kind and compassionate, we should also teach them na it's not okay to let anyone just push them around. So, kung ginabuli ang anak, so ang ilang normal response, no, it's because kay gagmay pa man sila, is muhilak sila. And it's okay, no? Let them feel what they feel because they are hurt. Ang crying helps, no? It's a way to release tension, and it also triggers the production of endorphins. These are natural painkillers and feel-good hormones. So after nila muhilak and na-calm down na sila, then we can talk to them, no? Calmly, what happened? To encourage open communication. That way, they feel that they're being supported and they feel that they are being listened to without any judgment. So, unsay mga assertive response na pwede nato ma-teach sa ilaha. And we can actually do a role play, no, na ating mga family events, no, para ma-practice sila, ma-master nila. So for example, no, katong sa akong pag-umangkon, na iniingon lang, you're weird. So pwede nato i-refine, no, ang kaning response. Ino nato sila na, that's your opinion about me and it doesn't bother me. Or, pwede po nato sila ino na, you know, I don't like it when you say that. Please stop. Or, I'm not going to talk to you if you are mean. And tuluan po nato sila to, it's okay to walk away if they feel unsafe, no? To detach from that situation. Walking away is not a sign of weakness, it's actually a sign of courage. Okay, so, and remember that bullying says more about the bully than the ones being bullied. So, oftentimes, ang katong ginabully, mas problematic pa. Possibly na sila dysfunctional homes or ginabully po sila as a way to get even, mubully po sila sa uban to make them feel good about themselves or to make them feel big, no? So I hope this has been insightful. I hope we start teaching our little ones to be assertive, to stand up to the bullies, because this is a way to build resilience, no? Because if we don't stop this vicious cycle, so what happens? Our children will grow up thinking that what the bullies said were true, and we don't want that to happen. If these issues are not resolved, no? Samtang gamay pa sila, so what's going to happen? This can be carried on, no? Sa adulthood, mas daghan pa problema, mga mental health issues, they will develop anxiety and also depression. So, if you have any, if you want to share any experiences sa inyong mga anak na bully o sa inyong buhat, please comment down below. This is Coach Beth and Doc Beth, your mental wellness coach and your guide on your journey to mental health, reminding you to embrace a healthier mind for a happier you. Don't forget to like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Amping kanunay!